Hi, I'm Mohammed and we're watching the 21st episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll complete our discussion essay supporting paragraphs by adding discussion and conclusion sentences to them. So let's get started. In the first supporting paragraph, so far we've introduced the topic of the paragraph and used an example to clarify what we mean. Now it's time to discuss the topic further by explaining more. In fact, exercising freedom of choice in academia is the only way to achieve stellar job prospects. It is therefore clear that students studying what they like can have invaluable merits. Now let's complete the second paragraph. Although this manner of prioritization seems unfair, circumstances of third world countries are not accommodating of personal preferences lest it might sabotage the greater good. So limiting university subjects may sometimes be beneficial. In the next episode, we'll complete our problem solution essays supporting paragraphs. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.